Hello everyone, and a very warm welcome back to Speak English Fluently. Today is day 12 and we are diving into a topic that will transform your professional communication. Have you ever felt unsure about how to sound polite yet direct in an email or a meeting? Or maybe you've wondered what phrases native speakers use to sound confident and professional at work. Well, you're in the right place. In this lesson, we will master 20 modern essential phrases that will help you navigate any workplace conversation with ease and confidence. These are the exact expressions used every day in offices to manage tasks, agree on plans, and build strong professional relationships. By the end of our session, you'll not only understand these phrases, but also know exactly how and when to use them to make a great impression. Let's get started on boosting your career vocabulary and making your English sound more natural and professional than ever before. Are you ready to level up your communication skills? Let's begin. Alright, let's continue with our next set of essential phrases. These will help you manage expectations and acknowledge your colleagues' contributions effectively. First, number 4, I appreciate the heads up. This is a fantastic way to show gratitude when someone gives you an early warning about something. It shows you value their proactive communication. For example, if a colleague tells you about upcoming system maintenance, you could say, I appreciate the heads up about the system maintenance. What does this mean? It simply means, thanks for the early warning. Using this phrase shows that you're prepared for what's coming and you value information that helps you plan ahead. Moving on to number 5, I'll circle back by EOD. This is a very common and useful phrase in modern offices. EOD stands for end of day. When you say this, you are making a clear commitment to follow up on a topic later, but within the same workday. For instance, if you need to find some information before you can answer a question, you can say, I'll circle back by EOD with the final numbers. This means, I will reply before the end of the day. It's a professional way to manage expectations, letting your colleague know you've received their request and have set a clear timeline for your response. And finally, for this section, number 6. Thanks for flagging this. This phrase is perfect for when a colleague points out a problem, an error, or an important issue that might have been missed. Imagine someone finds an error in a report. You could respond with, thanks for flagging this. I see there's a mismatch in the totals. In simple terms, it means, thank you for pointing out a problem. This phrase not only shows appreciation for their attention to detail, but also fosters a collaborative environment where team members feel comfortable speaking up about potential issues. It turns a potential negative into a positive team-oriented moment. Quick break. Want daily speaking practice? Try Duolingo's English speaking practice. Bite-sized lessons, real-time feedback, and fun challenges. It's free to start. Link in the description. Level up pronunciation with AI speaking exercises. Download now, then let's continue the lesson. Repeat after me. And there you have it, 20 powerful expressions that will instantly make your English sound more polite, professional, and confident. Mastering these phrases is about more than just learning new words. It's about understanding the culture of modern communication. It's about showing respect, building trust, and collaborating effectively. Remember the key principles we covered. We learned how to politely ask for information with phrases like, could you share a quick update? We also saw how to align with our colleagues on projects using clear language such as, let's align on the next steps. A crucial part of professional life is acknowledging the contributions of others. Simple phrases like, "I appreciate the heads up," or "Thanks for flagging this," show that you are a team player. You also now have the tools to manage conversations and take ownership, for example, by saying, "I'll take it from here." The goal is to be clear, concise, and respectful in every interaction. These expressions are your building blocks. Start by choosing 2 or 3 phrases that feel natural to you. Try using them in your emails or meetings this week. The more you practice, the more automatic they will become. Soon, you won't even have to think about it. You'll just be speaking like a confident, native-level professional. Before we wrap up, try Duolingo's English speaking practice. Bite-sized lessons and real-time feedback. It's free to start. Download now.